Math 1, final benchmark, number 52. The scatter plot represents the outside temperature and number of coffees sold throughout the day. All right, so you can see over here on the left it says number of coffees sold from 0 to 70. All right, on the bottom it says outside temperatures from 0 up to 90. It says which statement is true? The scatter plot does not show a correlation and does not necessarily imply that there must be a causation between. All right, so both of these say it does not show a correlation. Well, if you look here, it's kind of trending down, so it does kind of look like there is some kind of correlation. So we're going to eliminate the first two because they both say it does not show a correlation. All right, C part says the scatter plot shows a correlation and implies that there must be causation between outside temperature and the number of coffees sold. Well, it looks like that could be true, but the number of coffees are probably independent to the number or the outside temperature. Even though it looks like it is trending down, it does look like there's less coffees sold. The warmer it gets, maybe they're buying something else instead, maybe lemonade, I don't know. But let's see what D says. The scatter plot shows a correlation, but does not necessarily imply that there must be a causation between outside temperature and the number of coffees sold. So again, this is just about the wording. Causation is like one thing causes something else to happen. And even though it looks like there is a correlation from the scatter plot, you cannot assume that the reason there's less coffees being sold is directly related to the temperature. So it says this does not necessarily imply. So D is the best answer here. So for number 52, the answer is D.